Everything is cute. It's a dangerous diva.
Look how much fun it is to shop in Atlanta.
She won't stop. Just stop. Please stop. We're in Louis Vuitton. She's buying everything. Will you stop?
It's just a cute purse. I'm just looking at it.
I got a water out of this. Here we are, folks. Everyone she tries on, she buys. That's the fourth pair. If she tries on another pair, she will buy another pair.
They're fun. She agrees.
I'm sure she's gonna agree. I'd agree too if it was my business. I agree with everything that equals you buying.
Right.
Lenox Mall, y'all, with Dangerous Diva. It starts. Dangerous Diva.
We're here.
Where you at?
Lenox Square, ATL, Hot Manor.
Look at this. They got plants in between this joint.
Whee!
Oh yeah. Both of us can fit.
It's very nice. Very, very, very nice.
Nike store right there.
Dunk on them, baby.
See this Nike store? I know we might need to put that kind of hoop in the back here.
The gold rim, wow.
See that?
It's golden. And these are hot. Woo. Oh, alright, you gotta get some. They only have one.
What size they got? Medium?
Alright, so my baby has picked up one thing already thus far. Look at these hot chicks. They match what he got on right now.
I wore it for a reason.
Right?
This was a last minute addition for me to bring these with me
See?
to
Meant to be. Those shoes
the
are
East
hot.
Coast, period.
The gold patent leather.
Yeah.
Come on now. Perfect for summer.
Uh-oh, the Diva found a workout set. Some stylish too. Look at that over there.
Right? Nice.
New workout set for her Peloton and for her jog. Hey. I saw you looking at that rose gold too.
Huh?
So I saw you look at that rose gold.
Yeah, it's like rose gold.
Shopping in Atlanta, that's what we do.
Yep.
We shop everywhere, actually. Here we are, folks. Everyone she tries on, she buys. That's the fourth pair. If she tries on another pair, she will buy another pair.
They're fun.
It went from something that you're gonna wear once in a blue to now 4 times in a blue.
No, different outfits, different videos, different shoots.
You're right.
She agrees.
I'm sure she's gonna agree. I'd agree too if it was my business. I agree with everything that equals you buying.
Right.
Lenox Mall, y'all, with Dangerous Diva. It starts. Let's see. Which giant glasses will it be?
The black with the rhinestone, and second pair is $10.
Dangerous.
You can match me right now.
Dangerous Diva. They do.
These are so fun.
They look good on you. Everything looks good on you.
Oh, my baby. So I guess I'll wear these today with the, and I'll get the rhinestone one. Oh, she has 2? You have 2? Yes.
Oh, you got more to see. Grab those. But look, just in case you see something on this side.
2 for $25? These? Okay, I'll probably get these 2. I like your locks.
Thank you.
Yes, these and probably those.
I knew you was gonna grab those.
I just want to see them. Thank you.
I knew you would grab the red one.
They look cute.
Uh-oh.
I can't see how they look though.
Hey.
They're nice with red lipstick too. They're nice. I like these.
That's the music of Dangerous
tell.
Diva come out. They look good.
They do.
Now how you go from not knowing about one pair to getting 3 pair?
Because you keep trying them on.
You try something on and you look good in everything, you're gonna buy everything. All right, let's go.
We only got a block in here. We didn't get too far.
We only got to like 3 stores so far. We just got in the mall. Dangerous Diva can make clothes out of Sephora if you let her. So, you know, she got her new stunners on. She's stunting on them. For real, for real. Look at those.
Yeah.
There's the lights.
Tap it. You gotta tap it.
What you see? Nobody think about this. You know, upgrade.
Got the glasses.
They got some solid glasses. You know, they sound really cool. Got the Rolex store. How
Can you
low
tap
you
it?
gonna make?
Oh. I was gonna tap it.
Yeesh.
It's just dark in here. They need some light. Escalating. Louis Vuitton.
Uh-oh. You see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Sorry. I need y'all to block it. We don't need to go in here.
Hello. Louis Vuitton.
That's a nice bag. We might need to take that bag back with us.
Do you see it? It's so nice. It's so nice, right? It looks fire.
Oh, there go my bag.
Oh, okay.
Almost.
Almost like it.
Yeah.
It's like a Minecraft bag or something.
So let's get a Minecraft bag
I know
there.
that one's custom though. I know that one's going to cost.
I like the backpack right there.
I was trying to get you a backpack like that, but it was out. Didn't have any more.
I don't care for that bag, but that backpack is fire.
It really is. It looked like it too.
Hey man, I'm sticking with that one, that other one.
Which one?
The one that's at the house right now. It's happening, guys. Dangerous Diva is being dangerous.
Not really.
This isn't dangerous.
I'm so used to them being a couple that are up. Wow, I didn't know that.
She's being dangerous.
Not dangerous. You don't have this color with the monogram. Oh, no. That's what I was saying. Yeah, that's what I was saying. In this color. Okay. Because I have this color, but I want to show you this. Is this considered white? Is it considered white?
Dangerous Diva.
It takes the shape of it. It's a good travel bag.
Hey guys, you want to marry a diva? At some point in your life, you're going to have to make a lot of money.
So cute.
Some point. She was patient. Maybe not in the beginning. But when she sees it, that's it. It's gone.
But you know it doesn't fit as well on the handle.
You tricked
And
me.
you can't really decorate. It's so cute. Like I have the one with the braided handle. So it looks cute.
So the beauty in this one is that this is the first time we've ever done damier and monogram together. Usually it's one or the other.
Right.
Everything is cute. It's a Dangerous
Look how
Diva.
much fun it is to shop in Atlanta.
She won't stop. Just stop. Please stop. We don't move time. She's buying everything. Will you stop?
It's just a cute purse. I'm just looking at it.
I got a water out of this. That's what I got.
But it's
This
so
is like
cute, and
a
it has a chain.
$3,000 water I got. And she won't stop.
Yes, the double zip pouch.
Now the pochette is smaller. Okay.
And there's a voice on the other side. Stop.
I don't hear anything.
Listen,
seeing
you
the
can
good and
always,
bad?
yeah, but
Right.
you can always come back.
Okay.
You didn't even buy nothing in New York
I
yet.
know. That's why I said I did good.
Stop. So, once again, damage was done.
We did it, guys.
We did it. Who's we?
We
You
did
and your
it.
you and your subscribers? Who did it?
We did it. Got a new bag to take to the UK. We're going to the UK in a few weeks. So why not pick up a bag that I can travel with, that looks good, makes a fashion statement, all that good stuff. So I'm happy.
Oh, and what else did you get?
Got a bag, a new bag, never full, the nude, and got the new wallet with the pink inside to match. Also got one of their newest scarves. So cute. Can't wait to reveal it to you guys in my unboxing.
Oh yeah.
Atlanta, you were great.
What did you say?
Bye, Hotlanta. You were great. Had a great time here. Now it's time to go back to New York to get the boys and take them to have fun all day tomorrow. All day.
Dangerous. Diva. Ria.